And now, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
All right, let's break down the storm a little bit. We may go back for some more election results in a minute here, but first, wintry Wednesday, you bet. I think late in the afternoon, we're going to see rain mixed with some snow showers around here. Windy day, this nor'easter continue to crank up out here off the Maryland coast. And even first thing in the morning, that morning commute tomorrow, you could see some of those late showers mixing in with just a little bit of wintry precipitation, because out there tonight, it is one cold night. Today, struggling to get out of the low 40s, and now as we go past sunset in Bel Air, temperatures dropping. Take a look. 40 degrees now at BWI, and expecting to see those temperatures drop a little bit, hover down in the upper 30s overnight. Winds are from the east right now. It's a chilly northeast wind, plenty of cold air around. We felt that ever since Sandy came through day 5 more than a week ago, and over the last 3, 4, 5 days we have not seen much of a warm up. So feeling like the 30s out there tonight, and all of this cold air in place as the system rides up the coast. It basically means the potential, at least, for not just cold rain and wind. We know we're getting that tomorrow, especially on Delmarva, but with the cold air continuing to flow in and wrap around the backside of the system, we struggle to get out of the mid 30s tomorrow for much of the day. Yeah, and then tomorrow night, even as the system's pulling out, we're still in those near freezing temperatures. So the bottom line is potential for winter weather is going to continue here. Here's the trend. That system continuing to run up the coast to positions right off Maryland during the afternoon tomorrow. And even into the evening, there'll be wraparound showers, wraparound cold winds coming in with that nor'easter eventually pushing up by tomorrow and Thursday into the New England states. But here we go. Here's the setup for you. Coastal flood warnings up. Delaware beaches, Maryland beaches. Remember, there's almost no dune line left. A lot of damage here, so bigger waves and higher than normal tides not welcome up and down the mid-Atlantic coast, including, of course, our friends up in New Jersey. They're going to get pelted with a lot of rain and wind here. A sharp cutoff with this storm passing offshore. Really, it'll depend where these westernmost rain and snow bands set up, who will get what. I think rain mixed with snow, good bet through midday. And then as we get to that early sunset tomorrow, past 4 or 5 o'clock, we're going to see a mix of some wet snow coming down. And where you see this darker shading here, that's where we could see along and just east of the I-95 corridor, that's where we can see some more significant accumulations. 2 inches of rain for Salisbury points east. It's never going to get really cold enough there for much in the way of snow. But along the bay and just west of the bay, along that I-95 corridor, some of this rain total, 3/4 of an inch of rain, some of it, not all of it, some of it likely to change over to snow and maybe even a little icing up toward the Philly area. So again, a kind of a wild card with the system here. Right at where it cuts off, the rain to snow line is going to be sitting there too. So a tricky situation, we'll see. Just plan for an inch or two of slush, mainly on those grassy surfaces, but roads could get slick tomorrow night after sunset. No question about that. All right, so overnight, recap it all. 35, mostly cloudy, and tomorrow, here we go with the wind and winter mix, and it's going to last tomorrow night. An inch or two of slush is going to be possible. Let's head back to the